how to buy food if you are in Samar and Leyte. Maupay nga aga, or maupay nga kulop, maupay nga gabi, whatever time it is. So use the correct greetings. Let's say it's morning. Maupay nga aga, tagpira ini. If you're pointing to a food, tagpira ini. Or if you're holding it, tagpira ini. And then the vendor answers. Let's say they would say 70 pesos. You'd say, and if you want to buy it, you'd say, papalita daw, usala. Or papalita daw, duha, means two. Or you can just say, papalita daw. Or if you know the food that you're buying, let's say, tagpirat mangga, tagpirat adobo, tagpira it, whatever food it is that you want to buy. Tagpira it, and then the food. And then you wait for the person to answer. It's 100 pesos. Papalita daw. Papalita daw. Papalita daw usala. Or papalita daw duha. Okay? Now, if you want to learn more about Waray Waray language, hit the subscribe and comment down